Hi guys, so if you're watching this, I feel like somebody that you recently broke your contact with, somebody that you stopped talking to recently, is stalking your social media so much right now that you might see that person in your dream. But even if you do not see that person in your dream, somebody is lurking your social media a lot. Now we will get some signs to see whether this reading is for you or not, and we will move forward with it. So very prominently we had the devil as a split the deck, which is the Capricorn energy. Let's get into it. Who can this person be potentially? Yeah, a very strong Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is somebody who is always wanting to search for options in their life. So this person is not looking for somebody to commit to. This person is not looking for commitment. They might say that they are looking for commitment, but their action always shows that they are always on the go. They are always searching for better options. They are always searching for options in love and relationship in general. And this person might always be on go, and this person makes you feel insecure because this person makes you feel like they're always looking out for better options and that you're not the ideal and better option for them, best option for them, which makes you feel insecure. Now this person can be very ambitious as well. This person keeps working, talks about work, or this person does not talk about work at all, or this can be your energy. You can be very ambitious. Number 54 could be significant. Number 4 could be significant. 4 could be significant. 4 is 8, so 8 could be significant. 4th of April could be significant. 4th of April is also like 13th. 13th of April could be significant. July 9th could be significant. July 8th could be significant. 12 is 3, so number 3 could be significant. 12 is significant. 1 and 2 is significant. March, April, June is very significant. Feb is also second, so Feb is also significant. Taurus, Leo. Let's get more information. We have sexual attraction, so this person could be a very strong Scorpio as well. I'm not saying that you're sexually attracted to Scorpios, no offense, but that's what I got. I am running childhood trauma validation. This person has childhood trauma. Sexual attraction came out twice. So this person is very much sexually attracted towards you. I'll be honest with you. If you are asking, is this person emotionally connected with me? You know the truth, intuition. So this person is not that much emotionally invested in you. All they have right now is sexual attraction and chemistry with you. All they are looking for is sexual attraction. This person might use sex and sexual intimacy to heal their emotional wounds. So this person is like avoidant. They have avoidant attachment style. So I am uploading a video, so that's why I'm looking at the phone again and again. So this person might have like avoidant attachment issues where this person is detached from you all the time, but they like whenever the issues come and whenever the issues arise, this person might like ghost you and detach from you completely, but then they try to come and resolve the issues with physical and sexual intimacy. We have creativity steals. Okay, we have creativity coming out. What does that mean? Yeah, creativity is also sexual energy, by the way. Sexual energy is sacred creative energy because life comes out of sexual energy. So something about sexual energy and creativity. So this person is also very creative. So they can be a painter, an artist, a dancer, like in the creative fields, an actor or an entrepreneur. This can be a business person. Overall, a very creative person this is. They want to create. They are always on the go. Very ambitious person. This person might take screenshots of the photo that you're watching, that they are watching of yours. This person might take the photos, like the screenshots of the photos that you are taking. If you recently went on a trip with somebody, like a group trip, or if you recently uploaded a photo with people in it, like a lot of people or a group of people in your photo, even if you did not post that, but if you were like outside of where you are usually, or the photo that you uploaded, this person thought that you are with somebody else, or you're out, which means that you are not where you usually are in their presence. This person might be going through some financial issues, or they feel like you are going through some financial issues, or they feel like they might assume that you were going through financial issues when the two of you were together, but now suddenly you're going out and you're partying and you're having fun, or you're traveling and you're outside of your house. Then where is the money coming from? Weird, but that's what they're thinking. We have always partying and hooked. So either this person love to party and hook up with other people, or they're scared that you are going to the parties, you are going out and you might hook up with somebody else. So this person is scared that you will hook up with somebody else, or you already hooked up with somebody else the last time you went outside. So if you went outside where this person was not allowed, where this person was not with you, and where this person do not know the people that you were hanging out with, this person believed that you cheated on them, that you hooked up with somebody else, and now this person is scared because they believe that they are not even financially well put together, they are not even financially well put off, and at the same time they are into you. So they and wasting time. Why is this card for? Can you clarify? And we have obsessive lover. So they feel like by obsessing over you, they are just going to waste their time, because at the end of the day, you are into somebody else, you will find somebody better, and you are not that much into them, and eventually you will just meet somebody better, or you will always hook up and you will eventually hook up with people. So they are just wasting their time by being into you, because you're not going to change, and also they are financially not that well put together. So at the end of the day, you are just wasting their time, you're just like passing your time with them, because you are eventually you will be with somebody else, you will eventually end up with somebody else, and you'll leave this person. So that's why this person is wanting to keep a very close look at your social media, because they feel like being into you is just waste of time, because eventually you'll to leave, you're just going to leave, and it's gonna break their trust, break their heart, waste their money, waste their time. And they feel like something about finances, so they feel like money is the issue over here. Either they feel like you do not have the money, so you did not have the money, so how did you go out? And if you feel like that's not the case, that cannot happen, then this, yeah, broke ass. Oh my god, where is that card? Broke ass, literally, as I split the deck. So this person feels like giving money. So this person feels like they are not financially very put together for you to be with them, and that's why they will just waste their time by being with you, because eventually though you'll end up with somebody else. So being into you is just waste of time. That's what this person is thinking, and that's why they're also stalking you. But this person believes that you hooked up with somebody the last time you went out, the last time you went to the party, or the last time you went out, or whenever you will get out, you will just hook up with people, and that's the waste of time. And that's what they're thinking, and you will know why this person is thinking like that. Bad habits. So we have drugs, addiction, and toxicity. So if you know that this person is into like addictions of any sorts, this person might be consuming a lot of toxins. We have haunted, because this person is haunted by your memories, flashbacks, trauma, and side effects. Because of the side effects, this person is consuming a lot of toxins. We have drama starter, and we have scarcity tactics, stalking, watching. What did I say? Somebody said. I love when spirit confirms what I just said. Moving on, and child service. Rejected. Before you reject this person, before you cheat on this person, before you move on from this person, before you say this person that okay, I don't want to be with you anymore, they just wanted to move on from you. Before you leave them, they left you. Before you leave them, they want to leave you. Even if you feel like okay, but I left them, they will try to leave you before you leave them. We have stalker, stalking, watching, obsessed. Because they are so insecure themselves, they will 100%, whenever you talk to them, create and start a drama, start a fight, start a drama, because they know that they are not good enough. They will just it's their insecurity. They will try to fight with you, they will try to start a fight with you because they feel so insecure within themselves. So you will know how to handle this situation. My job was to read your energy, and this is the message coming up for you. If you feel like, why is this person trying to start a fight with me every time I'm having a conversation, it is because they are so insecure, they are feeling empty inside, they are feeling scared and scarcity inside of them, and that's why they're just like fighting and starting a fight. Right? So I think this is all that I have for you, collective. Looking you up, what is this? Looking you up, stalking you, stalker. We know that this person is stalking us. So this person will try to contact you in the upcoming time, will try to succeed you. So Queen rising and fake flexing will act, reach. Okay, in the upcoming time, this person will try to come towards you. What is this Queen rising? Can you clarify? This person will be daydreaming and will start missing you in the upcoming time. So they will try to come back into your life and try to flex some money or some financial assets just because they want to show you that they are also on your level, just because they want you back. They will be obsessing over you. And we also have hustling. This person definitely has some karmic friends around their energy, fake accounts also. This person might party all the time, or their friends party all the time, something like that. Take it out, that resonates. Focused on money and getting it, coming out twice. Crying over you, sad and upset is also coming out. So in the upcoming time, this person will realize that by flexing and faking money, by flexing fake assets, won't work out any longer. If they want to come towards you and if they want to get you back again, they will have to work on themselves to achieve you and to actually acquire real assets and real money. Because they know that once you move on from them and once you let go and once you become rigid to their energy, you won't come back. So they will know, so they will get to realize in the future that by coming towards you and flexing fake money and by fighting with you without having any facts, it won't work out any longer. And with obsessing over you but not putting in any efforts also won't work out. So they will have to come and make real efforts because they know that they love you and they want you back. But they will have to do it quickly because they know that once you rise up, once you like boss up, you won't come back. And that's why this person is just going to like buckle up, make the efforts and changes, and this person might get focused onto their career because they will realize that if they want you back, they'll have to put in the real work. And they won't just like mindlessly, blindlessly just come and fight with you without any facts and just like flex fake money, because that won't work. Actually making the efforts and working will work, because they now know that you are not going to stop. I don't know, I have itchy nose today, maybe because I have cough and cold. So this person will realize that by faking money, it won't work any longer. So they'll have to come towards you with facts, real hard work and real efforts and money. And they will cut off toxic friends. They will, oh my god, this person is going to cut off their toxic friends is what I feel. This person is going to cut off their friends, start working. They will stop partying and wasting their time. This is so aligned to each other. Okay, karmic friends, fake accounts, but I read it as they will cut off their toxic friends. So they'll cut off their toxic friends. They will stop partying because they will realize that this is like waste of their time. They'll stop wasting their time because they are into you. And because by doing all of this, they are just becoming bankrupt. And they know that by being into you means that they'll have to show up into an abundant energy. And this is not about money, by the way. This is not about money at all. This is about energy. This is about abundant energy. Now, abundant energy is prosperity, happiness, satisfaction wherever you are. It's not about money. You will know if you are in alignment with this video that this is not about money. So because they are so much hooked onto you and your energy is literally haunting you, your energy is haunting them, they will let go of bad habits because they are into you and because they know that they are bankrupt. because of the partying, because of the friend, because of the karmic friends, and that's why they will know that their friends are holding them back. And because they are so much into you, they will make an effort to let go of their friends, because they know that if they are still continuing to be with their friends, I feel so hot right now, because they know that if they continue to be with their friends, they will lose you, they will lose out on you. And once you boss up, they know they'll never get you back, and that's why they'll put an effort to make an effort to come towards you and make the changes in their life, because they want to be with you. We have hustling and crying over you, and we have legal issues in reverse. So they will, and kissing ass and thief. So if this person used to like people please bad people just because they wanted to, because just because they did not know their own worth, this person will stop doing that as well, because they'll realize, and this is happening just because they are in love with you. This is happening, they are being motivated to do. I just saw 1551, which is a number of breakthroughs, if I'm not wrong. They will do everything that I just said. They will do everything that I just said and spoke about, just because they have so much feelings for you and they are in love with you, and they want to do it because they want to be with you, and they know that if they continue doing all of this, they will lose out on you. They will start hustling in their life because they want to be with you, because this person will cry over you, sad, hurt and upset, etc. And they will be going through ego death very soon. Screenshot coming out twice. Okay, let's get some clarifiers if I feel called to do it energetically. People will try to test this person, by the way, whenever they try to change, but don't worry, the God will take care of the rest. Same shit, different day. They will get tired of the same routine and same pattern between the two of you repeatedly, one after the other. So they'll try to change. This person for a while will go in their own shell, their own little cocoon, where they'll detach from their friend circle and friends in general, and they will, if they had any commitments with their friends, so if this person used to work with their friend, or if they had like a routine with their friend, they will break free from that, and they'll just like secure themselves under a cocoon where they won't talk to anybody. And this is a wish fulfillment of somebody. Either this is your wish fulfillment or this person's. 5 of water, but this person will be sad and grieving. This person will feel lonely and left out in the cold. Say, hey, oh my god, I just saw 7 of pentacles here and 7 of pentacles in the reverse at the bottom here. 7 of cups, so 7 could be significant, which is 14. 14 is number 5. May could be significant. Double 5, 11, 11, 12, 12, double 9. Alright, so as they realize that their friends are not good for them and they will cut off their toxic friends, they will, like I said, hide under a little cocoon, and they will be sad and all that stuff, but then they will come out of that sadness through their ambition and desire, through their desire to work hard and get the money. So we have earth, which is brown and green for me is also like earth. So this person will come out of the sadness and depression, and they will start a whole new chapter. So it's basically like they are graduating from a college, but they are becoming a whole new a little kid, because they are starting something new, a new chapter. So they'll be like a kid. They will come to the level 1 again from completing the whole cycle, like whole chapter. So they are coming out of the sadness by becoming a whole new version of themselves, which is like a spiritual awakening, a rebirth. So they're ending a chapter in their life, they're ending their one personality, and they will hide under a cocoon, and then they'll come out of the cocoon by becoming a whole new different person, which is a very ambitious and a tiny little person who you will love. And this is maybe your wish fulfillment. And Three of Pentacles, and then they will create maybe good relationships, or they will just walk away from their old friends and whatever the career, whatever they were working with, whoever they were working with, they will end that. Eight of Cups and Three of Pentacles, right? So I think this is all that I have for you guys. If you want to connect with me for one-on-one sessions, you can do that from the link given in the description box below. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can book that from the link in the description box below, or you can DM me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, take care, signing off.